And he was doing a scene where they was walking down and he kept going, ayo, ayo. And obviously nobody was taking a blind bit of notice of him. So he's ended up telling her to... Hey!
What?
Stop swearing! Well, obviously he was laughing then, so the more they laugh, the more he says it, because he's getting attention in there.
They have a lot of historical tour guides on the estate who used to meet up outside here, but Bart engages with everybody and kind of takes over. The tour now takes place at the opposite end of the estate, so there's no interruptions with him.
You're going now. Come on.
See you later.
Come on.